Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy stocks right here on FP Markets. And for this, we go here to the chart and we click first here on the cross and search here for something. You can search right now for something like Tesla if you want to buy that. But what you also can do is click right there and then go right here, scroll a little bit down, and then we go to equity UK, or we can go to equity in US. And then right here, you can search for a lot of equities that you can buy. So let's see, here is the Amazon. So let's do that for example. Click on that, and then what you need to do is click right here on new order. Then from now, fill in right here the volume that you want to buy. You can also put a stop loss or a take profit on it. And if you don't want to do that, then just click right here on buy. And now if you can see, we created our position right here for Amazon. So this is how you can buy stocks right here on FP Markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.